Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back on this Blue Monday. Yes, Blue Monday. We have two Sudokus left in this additional, in this newspaper. Today's newspaper on Monday, January the 18th, 2021. Two Sudokus left, a binary one and a tectonic one, yes. But first I will solve this baby. Number 2184. Alright. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 a binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 O's and 4 1s. Alright, so let's get started. Double 1, here no, there no. We have now 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. A double 1, here no, there no. A double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Now we have 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1, double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double O, here 1, there 1, double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 1s comes an O. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Then double 1, here no, there no. We have now 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. We have here 3 1s. I cannot place the 4th one here, otherwise we have here 3 O's in a row, in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so I cannot place the 1 here. This should be an O. Alright. Double 1, here no, there no. Okay. Then double O, here 1, there 1. Now we have 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. We have now 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1. We have here 3 O's. If I place number 4 here, then we have 4 1s in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this cannot be an O. This should be a 1. Now we have 4 1s, so the rest are O's. If I place number 4 here, then we still have 3 1s in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this cannot be an O. This should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Between 2 1s comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. We have now 4 1s, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Then I need to compare, I think. Yeah. 1001. Do we have a 1001? I can. Or a 010. Do we have a 010 here? Oh, no. So I need to compare the rows. 1010. Do we have a 1010 here? 10. No. 0101. Do we have a 0101? Yes, yeah. This second row, and this row, empty box 1101. empty box 1100. So we need to switch this digit and that digit. We have O there, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. Between two O's comes in 1, and now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 4 O's. Yes, completed in 5 minutes. Alright, great binary, boys and girls. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a few seconds with the last Sudoku on this Blue Monday. There will be a tectonic with 4 stars, aka Suguru. So see you later. Bye bye for now.